Hello friends, welcome to Smile and Learn Civil Engineering. So today we are up here to analyze the exam patterns, questions asked in various shifts in WBPCB examination, and this is to help you all out, and this has been collected from the memory of my students and some of my friends. Okay, so first we will discuss about assistant engineer and junior engineer, environmental engineer, that question shifts. Okay, then we will come up with all general shifts and all like accounts clerk, like assistant, environmental assistant, all these parts. So first questions have been asked from summits like D10, G7. Okay, detailed summits you must study in order to appear or in order to answer properly, right? India's rank in various index like HTI index, like ease of doing business index. Okay, dates and days like global hand washing day, all this has been asked. Okay, next comes cheapest veg thali in India, in which state, this has been asked. Highest forest cover in which state, recently launched pipeline project by government of India, line of actual control, Pangong Lake, about one of the questions, in which state it is situated, or this has been related, this lake question has been related to lake question also. Okay, next we will come up with Citizenship Amendment Act, how it has been linked or how it has been done, which countries have been included to be given citizenships, which people will be given citizenships from various religions, what are the various religions or minorities situated in India. Ayushman Bharat, one question from Ayushman Bharat, questions have been asked like one or two statement have been given about a particular scheme or a particular like Yojana from the government of India, and then you have been asked which of the following statements have been correct. Questions like this have been asked. Okay, my student, one of my student told me Digital India program, right? This has been asked like farmers bills. Okay, the protest going in and around, you all know that. Okay, occupational safety, health and working conditions, like all the schemes launched by the central government or the government of India, you must study every details of it, all the junior engineers or assistant engineers who have been appearing for this examination, right? See, these questions shift analysis, just to give you an idea, but whatever you have studied till now, deepest knowledge will only do, because the question pattern has been of medium. Okay, and all the question patterns like banking sectors and all, like amount sanctions in various government launched schemes, merger of various banks, these have been asked in some of the shifts. Okay, now in your shift maybe that will be different, there is no guarantee about it. Okay, but you must study all the current affairs related parts. See, questions from basic things have been asked only, so I will not say that this is one of the hardest paper, but it is of medium quality, paper is of medium quality. Next we'll come to engineering part. Okay, so you see, assumptions of Bernoulli's theorem, question have been asked from their energy conversion in thermal power plants. Most questions from thermal power plants like ESPs, like UNCSD. Okay, protocols and conventions, legislations you must study in details, very very important, like Cartagena, like Montreal, all these have been asked. Okay, next COP14, all the COPs we have already discussed in our previous videos, you can note it down from there. Next comes hardness. Okay, not only this COP, you must also remember the countries which have been participated and the years, all these are very very important. We have already discussed one who is prepared or who is preparing from last 1 month or 2 months, after the announcement of vacancy, they can able, if they do it properly, they will be able to qualify. Okay, this is my opinion, my personal opinion. Hardness, alkalinity, like which of the following has hardness and alkalinity both, alkalinity question from hardness alkalinity, like water quality parameter question have been asked. CO emissions. Okay, carbon monoxide, thermal conductivity, the questions from modes of heat transfer, two questions have been asked in one of the shifts, I have heard that. Okay, equipotential lines and streamlines. Okay, these questions have been coming. Okay, so basic whatever has been mentioned in syllabus, questions are coming from there only. Okay, so you have to strictly follow the syllabus, just keep on revising. No new things you can earn or gather from this video, I can assure you that, but whatever you have studied you must revise them properly. Basic units in thermal power plants, all basic questions have been asked, no deep knowledge questions have been asked. This is my this what I have gathered from this question pattern or something. Basic chemical technology questions like chemical reactions, like types of chemicals, metals, non-metals, all these questions have been asked. Water quality parameters question, TDS, turbidity, all these questions have been asked. Biogas related question, organic gas related question, oxyacetylene metal extraction, all these, this was mentioned properly, and last video which we did, like basic process information, all these I have been discussing over there. Okay, as much as possible we have done that, but you have to go with basic chemical technology. I have told you many a times. Okay, so these are the things. Next we will come to computer application, like full forms, some unkind common of kind of full forms have been asked, like OSS, like all other full forms have been asked. Shell question from Shell, hardware, computer hardware questions, process of computer, working conditions of computer, this has been asked. Software programs like package, all these programs have been asked. Interpreter, compiler. Okay, all these are basic questions you can get easily from some common books. Okay, pins in a serial port, this question. Computer memory related question, modem related question, operating system related question, software, multiple user system, all these have been asked in the paper. Okay, so these are all English basic things which we have gathered from discussion with students and friends. Antonyms, most of the part have been coming. Synonyms, okay, antonyms and synonyms, let me clarify that meaning of those words, opposite words, all those have came. One word substitution, okay, spelling error, sentence rearrangement, all this has been asked. Now we'll come to general studies part of those environmental analyst and all. So questions have been asked from lakes and water bodies, light, refraction, diffraction, all the processes of light or light transfer, these questions have been asked. Okay, next chemistry, metals and non-metal, like hardest metal, lightest metal, all these have been asked. You must remember those chemistry part. Okay, any one who is appearing for that. CM and governors of various state, questions have been coming from there also. It means that you have to study details, study in details the syllabus. Okay, you have to properly grasp the syllabus, only then you will be able to perform. All right, next wildlife sanctuary and wildlife and all national parks, you must revise once. Okay, geography related questions have been coming. Okay, next comes middle part of flower, human body related question, greenhouse effect, ozone hole, all these we have discussed in our previous videos. Air pollution part we have discussed. Most polluted region according to CPCB. Arithmetic and reasoning part we will discuss. Speed of train, two questions have been coming from their. Age related question, distance, direction, number series and alphabet series, you must study that in details. Logical reasoning, blood relations, accession region, okay, HCF, LCM, profit loss, percentage, time, speed and distance, all these have been covered. So if we talk about cutoff and performance, so question has been of medium category. Okay, we can say that. And cutoff, if we say among those 90 questions, if anyone is having preparation of banking or related examinations or UPSC, questions have been asked, like in if you are having like current affairs part, questions have been asked from various loan schemes, current affairs, all deep study you have to do about the current affairs. Okay, not only like you study some questions or MCQ and you will be able to answer. Okay, so according to me, cutoff will be between 75 to 80. This is my personal opinion. If anyone performs very well, since the seats are less and since the number of candidates appearing are much more, so we can say it's 75 to 80. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to like our video.